In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge cells using Microsoft Excel Online through a simple, easy to follow guide. Let's dive right into it. Imagine you're working on a spreadsheet in Excel and you need to combine several cells into one to better organize your data or for aesthetic purposes. Microsoft 365 offers a powerful online version of Excel that allows you to do just that, and the best part, it's free to use, so let's get started. First things first, you need to access Microsoft 365's free online suite. To do this, simply visit the official Microsoft 365 website dedicated to the free Office Online apps. Here, you'll be greeted with the option to use Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other applications right in your web browser without needing to download anything. Once you're on the site, the next action you need to take is signing into your Microsoft account. Click on the Sign In button prominently displayed on the page. This step is crucial as it not only gives you access to Excel Online, but also syncs your work across devices, making it accessible wherever you go. If you don't have a Microsoft account yet, don't worry. You can easily create one right from the Sign In page. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use the email associated with your Microsoft account. Then hit Next. The process is straightforward, but make sure you enter your email correctly to avoid any login issues. With your email entered, you'll then be taken to another screen asking for your password. Enter it carefully and proceed. Microsoft takes security seriously, so you might be asked to verify your identity with a code sent to your email or phone if you're signing in from a new device or location. Now, assuming you're all signed in, let's get to the reason you're here: merging cells in Excel. For our example today, we will use a pre-made file stored in OneDrive, Microsoft's cloud storage service. If you're following along with your own file, make sure it's uploaded to OneDrive, or simply create a new spreadsheet in Excel Online. Once your file is open, locate the cells you wish to merge. This could be a range of cells horizontally or vertically that you want to combine into a single cell. Select these cells by clicking and dragging across them with your mouse or trackpad. With your cells selected, it's time to merge them. Look for the Merge and Center button on the toolbar at the top of your screen. This handy feature not only merges your selected cells, but also centers any text within the merged cell, making your data look neat and professional. Click on Merge and Center, and a prompt may appear asking you to confirm your action, since merging cells keeps only the upper left cell's data and discards the rest. Confirm by clicking OK. And just like that, you've merged cells in Excel Online. This simple yet effective tool can help clean up your spreadsheets, making them easier to read and navigate. Remember, Excel Online is a powerful resource for anyone needing to manage data, plan projects, or create charts. And by using the merge feature, you can make your spreadsheets not only function better, but also look more organized and professional. That wraps up our guide on how to merge cells using Microsoft Excel Online. This functionality, along with many others offered by Microsoft 365's suite of online apps, showcases just how flexible and convenient cloud-based applications have become. Whether you're working on a personal project or collaborating with a team, knowing how to efficiently manage your data in Excel can significantly enhance your productivity. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.